One round freshman from Yale, one Katie, 1-2 junior from UC, Katie Payne. Lane 3, senior from Notre Dame, Sophia Pierce. Lane 4, freshman from Louisville, Noah Thompson. Lane 5, sophomore from UCLA, Alexis Schaefer. Lane 6, a freshman from UCLA, Catherine Henry. Lane 7, junior from Notre Dame, Benjamin Williams. Lane 8, freshman from Yale, Carolina Status. Lane 9, a freshman from UCLA, Anna Lane. Lane 10, sophomore from Buckeyes, Aaron Pinterest.
Get home, Rex!
And that's a shake for sophomore from UCLA, with a slide. This is a top place for North Council.